Good morning guys, what's up? I'm here in Sao Paulo. Took a free walking tour in the Paulista Avenue. Paulista Avenue is the area which is the financial district of Sao Paulo and also the shopping fashion district of this place. So I highly recommend if anybody coming to Sao Paulo to take this tour called SP Free Walking Tours. I'll put up their link below. Today is the day I'm leaving to Buenos Aires, Argentina. So I'm here in my room. We'll be checking out in next about couple of hours. However, it has been a tremendous experience here in Brazil. I think on a nutshell, I don't want to talk too much here. It's a beautiful country. As a solo traveler, I should say that I really did enjoy a lot. Couple of days initially I was scared where I didn't want to go and explore myself. I was restricted, but slowly I started to just open up my wings. And Rio is a totally safe place. Now the media says yes, but it's not happening every time. So you guys need to be careful how you present yourself. The people have been very friendly. Though I had a tough time with the language, they tried to explain to me through body language, try to help however they can. And yeah, if they do speak English, they definitely help you out. So that's it guys from Brazil. Hope you guys enjoyed all the footages. See you on the other side of South America, Argentina.